Hi and welcome. It's Janet McHugh with janetmchugh.arbonne.com. Today we're continuing our light look for daytime, and I've already done my eyes. We went over mascara, we went over eyeshadow, we've gone over a light CC cream or a BB cream if that's what you can get. And next I'm just going to go over what I really quick do just for a quick blending of my blush. I love having a really good blush brush. Say that 5 times fast. I dab it into my blush so that I've got some on it. Tap it off. And I rub it in circles. And then I blend it back. This is going to give you just that rosy little look for both sides. If you're like me and super pale, you need a little bit of color. I don't do contouring for the day, but what I will do is, because nobody's face has one color and then just pink cheeks. You want a little more on your cheeks when you blend it back. See, I put a little bit on my nose, not much, but a little, and a little bit up near my forehead. And yep, a little bit on my chin. Because if you've ever been really hot or flushed, you don't just flush or blush right here on your cheeks. Your hot spots here, 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 and here. That's where you blush at. So that's what you're looking for, is kind of a natural look for the day. At least that's what I look for. Again, I'm looking for just a light look for the day. I'm not going to use my setting spray. I don't feel I need it. It's only going to be like 100, 105 today here in Phoenix, so it's not a big deal. I'm not going to be out on my bike today, so I'm just going to use my finishing powder. Blends my look down. Lightens it up just a little. I don't use it on my eyeshadow. I don't want eyeshadow on my brush. I don't use a lot, as you can tell. 2 quick dabs does my whole face. I blend it down into my neck so it blends. Like I said, this is just my day look. I don't always wear eyeshadow, the full eye palette. I just wanted you to see how easy it is to do. Sometimes whatever my lightest was today, it was slate. Sometimes I'll just use that on my whole upper lid. That way it opens my eyes out. Sometimes I don't wear eyeliner, I just wear mascara. I don't even always curl my eyelashes, but lately that's kind of been my thing. So I hope you enjoyed this short little video on blush for your day look. You saw the before and after, and I hope you had a great day, and hope you like, comment, and subscribe. You can find me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and of course YouTube. Have a great and blessed day. janetmchugh.arbonne.com. Thank you so much. We'll see you soon. Bye.